Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install TradingView on your mobile device and start trading from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for TradingView just like that. There you go. And once you've done that, go ahead and tap on the first application that pops up and simply go ahead and click on the download button. Once you've done that, it's going to take a little while to go ahead and download onto your mobile device. And once it is downloaded, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open. Now, there are a couple ways you can go ahead and log in into this application. You can either continue with Apple, or you could just hop in and simply go ahead and log in with any of your account right over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.